So in this question type, you are shown a picture and you need to speak the English word for the image that you are shown. That's the task. Just speak the image, what the image is about. So the image that we see here is, for instance, somebody says fire. Okay, someone else says flame. Are both of the answers correct? Yes, it is. I mean, it's also a fire, it's also a flame. It could be other things. Like one student at one time told me, well, it looks like hell. Maybe she was quite religious or something, but um, you could see hell there. If you could see hell, then say that. It's fine. The thing is, there is no one right answer for this question. Remember that. So you could say any word which is relevant to the picture. It has to be relevant, obviously. Um, but once you decide on saying maybe fire or maybe hell or maybe flame, make sure you pronounce the word correctly. Okay. It could be any of the three ones, but you need to spell it correctly. Through this question type, the test is actually testing your pronunciation, which is why it's important to pronounce it correctly. For instance, flame is pronounced flame, not flamme or flamme. So if you say it like that, it will be, you will not get any score. Okay, so you need to pronounce it correctly. And also, the test is actually checking your vocabulary knowledge. If you don't know the word which describes this image, like the flame, what do you do? Well, try to have anything close, any word that closely describes this picture, and say that. Like in this case, if you didn't know if it's flame, then you could just say it's fire. Okay, so you could say that. And if you don't even know fire, then you could probably say hell, which is okay. For this context of this photo, doesn't mention what it is showing, but if you see hell there, you can say that. But the thing is, don't get bothered with what is the perfect word that the image is trying to describe. There is none. You can say any of the words and get the full score, but make sure you do pronounce the word correctly.